here we go. We got a 9x3 unit. It's a non-critical unit. Set point set at 35.9. It's at off cycle right now. 9x3, so it's gonna be slim a little bit. There's the blueprint. All right, same thing. We got a PT seal here, condensate pan. No fan on the back to eliminate the warm air. All right, we got what we got in compressor. Compressor is the same compressor as a 3/4 Diversitec R290. R290 compressor, part number. There you go. It's a very good compressor, high efficient. J-box, looking nice. And that's the module right there. It's an inverter type, so I just went back to on cycle, kick back on at 44. Did 36 or 35.9, a differential of 8. Just kick back on about 44. Pressure is climbing up on the high side, going down on the low side. And this is our 9x3 project. We haven't seen this in a while. All right, signing out.